Do not touch that.
I am sorry, Aunt Clara. I was only looking.
That is a Murano glass bird. It costs more than your whole house.
Emily, look! That house has a swimming pool. That one has 2 garages. Why does anyone need 2 garages?
One for the car, one for the ego.
Michael, please. Not today.
I am joking.
Mom, you look nice.
Thank you, sweetheart. You always fix your hair before we go to Aunt Clara's house.
Does Aunt Clara live here alone? Just 2 people? In that whole big house?
Yes, Ben. Just 2 people.
That is a waste.
Hello, Clara. It is Michael. We are here.
You are early. I said 1 o'clock.
It is 12:48.
We are sorry, Clara. Traffic was...
Fine. Come in. Wipe your shoes before you enter.
Why is she angry? We came to visit her.
Just be quiet, Ben.
We brought fresh bread from the bakery.
I stopped eating bakery bread. Too much sugar.
Of course. It is so beautiful.
Do not touch that.
I am sorry, Aunt Clara. I was only looking.
That is a Murano glass bird. It costs more than your whole house.
Why is your food different?
Because I eat special food, Benjamin. You can have bread and soup.
Can I try the fish?
No, that is not for you. Eat your soup.
Ben, it is fine. Say thank you.
Thank you, Aunt Clara. Stop that! Sorry.
Children should sit still at the table. This is not a playground.
This is for you. For school. Do not lose it.
Thank you, Aunt Clara.
Next time, call before you come. And please do not bring bread.
Why does Aunt Clara not like us?
She is proud, Ben.
What does proud mean?
It means thinking you are better than other people.
But she is not better than us.
She has everything in that big house. But she did not give us anything real.
Some people measure everything in money. Then people become cheap to them.
This balloon is broken.
Blow slowly, Ben. Do not fight the balloon.
Come back here.
It is only a balloon.
Are you looking for someone, Emily?
Maybe Aunt Clara will come.
Sweetheart, Aunt Clara may not come today. Did she reply to the invitation? No, Emily. She did not.
Emily, this came for you.
It is from Aunt Clara.
That is it? Just a card?
Ben. It is okay. She remembered.
Yes?
Thank you for the birthday card, Aunt Clara. My birthday party was nice.
Emily, I am busy.
I cannot talk now.
Good night. Good night.
What did she say? She had to go.
You are writing to Clara again?
Yes.
She missed Emily's birthday.
I know.
Why do you keep trying?
Because she is still family.
She says she is too busy. I thought so.
She does not want to come.
Come here, sweetheart.
Some people think money is more important than family.
But money cannot hug you. No, sweetheart. It cannot.
Does Aunt Clara eat alone every night?
Yes, I think she does.
She does not have even one friend?
Maybe not, Ben.
That is sad.
Maybe she does not want friends.
Everybody wants somebody.
That is why we keep the door open.
Aunt Clara has many expensive things.
So?
But she eats dinner alone every night.
I am glad our house is small.
Me too, sweetheart. Hello? Oh, hello, Mrs. Thompson. Is everything?
Something happened. Something happened. Clara's husband Richard left.
What do you mean he left?
He took the money.
The bank accounts, the savings, everything.
The bank is taking the house. She moved to a small apartment.
Oh my God.
Emma? What happened?
Richard left Clara. He took everything.
What?
The money, the savings, the house. It is all gone. Mom? Is Aunt Clara okay? I do not know. She is not answering the phone.
But what about the big house?
It is all gone, Ben.
I can be alone. I do not need anyone. I do not need anyone.
Mom? What is that? This is from when you were a baby.
Aunt Clara held you for 2 hours. She did not want to let you go.
That does not sound like Aunt Clara. She was different then. Before the big house.
before the money changed her. What happened to her? Money happened, Emily. A lot of money.
Do you still love her?
Yes.
Always. She is my sister. Emma, I finally saw Clara today. She is sick. She has a fever. She is very thin. There is no food in the apartment. No medicine. Nothing. Emily. Ben. Michael. Get your coats.
Going where?
To Clara's apartment. She is sick. She has no food, no medicine, no one.
Emma, she told us our house was too small.
Michael, she is my sister. And she is alone.
I will get the car keys.
Should I bring the cookies too?
Bring everything, Ben. She might be cold, Mom. You are a good girl, Emily. Let us go.
But the elevator is broken.
Then we walk.
Clara, it is Emma. Please open the door. Emma? We are all here. Open the door, Clara. How? How did you know? A neighbor called. You are sick. We brought soup. I cannot. Yes, you can. Let me in. Mom, is that really Aunt Clara? Yes, Ben. That is her. Why are you here? Because you are sick.
That is not what I mean. I told you not to touch things. I gave you a cheap pencil and told you not to lose it. I served you bread and soup while I ate fish. I told you your house was too small. I was never kind. So why are you standing here?
Because you are family.
And family comes even when you are unkind. I am sorry. I am so sorry. I am sorry, Emily. It is okay, Aunt Clara. We brought cookies too.
You do not have to do all of this.
It is a small apartment. There is not even room for all of you to sit. We will manage. The last time you came to my house, I served you bread and soup. And I ate special food. Better food.
I made you feel like strangers. Oh. Just what I needed. Thank you.
This is the best soup I have ever had.
It is just chicken soup.
In my big house, I had expensive food every night. Every meal tasted like nothing because I ate it alone.
I pushed everyone away because I was too proud.
Aunt Clara? Can I tell you something? Of course. Expensive things do not hug you. Only people hug you.
You are very smart, Emily.
Clara, I need you to listen carefully. I am listening. I need you to understand this. You are coming to our house this weekend.
Emma, your house is very small.
Yes, our house is small. But there is always room for family.
You really mean that? I have always meant it. Every letter, every invitation, every phone call. I do not deserve you.
That is not how family works. You do not have to deserve it. You just have to show up.
I was angry with you, Clara, for a long time. But seeing you here, I am not angry anymore.
Thank you, Michael, for everything.
Thank Emma. She never stopped writing those letters. A few months ago, I was angry.
A big house can be empty. A small house can be full.
Oh, Clara? Emma? Oh, it's so good to be home.
Smells delicious, Clara.
Try it.
Just a little more seasoning.
Perfect.
Tell me about your day. I want to hear everything. Everything? Everything. Who did you sit with at lunch?
Well, Ben tried to bring a frog to school today.
He did not.
He did. In his backpack.
Oh, that boy. You are all the best part of my day. We're so glad to be here together. Thanks for the amazing dinner, Aunt Clara. Look at this spread. It's perfect.
Aunt Clara, do you miss your big house?
I thought I would.
But that big table had 10 chairs, and only one was ever used. This small table has 5 chairs, and every single one is full.
So, small is better?
Full is better. A big house can be empty. A small house can be full. Welcome home, Clara. I should have come home years ago.
A few months ago, I was angry. I thought, why should we help someone who never helped us? Being kind is not about what you get back. It is about who you are to family, to small houses, and to second chances.